Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful banking comparisons. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below, based on my personal experience. Choosing between HSBC USA and Huntington Bank? This video breaks down the features and benefits of each to help you find the perfect fit for your financial needs. Links to both banks are in the description below. Let's explore what each institution brings to the table. HSBC USA stands out as a global banking powerhouse. This makes it particularly attractive for individuals with international financial needs and those requiring access to services across borders. HSBC caters to high-net-worth individuals and those managing finances internationally, offering a diverse selection of accounts, credit cards, and investment options. While their Premier Checking and Premier Savings accounts boast competitive interest rates, they do require higher minimum balances and come with monthly fees if those balances aren't maintained. A key advantage of HSBC is its seamless handling of multi-currency transactions and access to a vast global ATM network, a boon for frequent travelers and expats. Huntington Bank, conversely, concentrates its services within the United States, focusing on personal and business banking with a strong emphasis on personalized customer support. Huntington offers a variety of checking accounts, including their noteworthy asterisk-free checking, which eliminates monthly fees and provides convenient ATM access. Their 24-hour grace feature provides a buffer against overdraft fees, adding a layer of customer-friendly convenience. Huntington further caters to its customer base with home loans and business banking services, appealing to those who value local community banking and readily available support. Their highly rated mobile banking app facilitates account management on the go, offering a streamlined and efficient user experience. In short, if global reach and international banking capabilities are your priorities, HSBC USA is an excellent option. However, if you seek a local, fee-free banking experience coupled with excellent customer service and comprehensive business solutions, Huntington Bank is likely the better choice. Explore both banks further using the links in the description to identify the institution best aligned with your financial lifestyle.